Hi guys, welcome back to episode 10 of Brown Syndrome. This is Mehak.
And this is UV.
What's up, guys? My name is Arth, and for our 10th episode, we decided to, talk about something that's such a big part of our culture. And I mean, it's just something that everybody does. We decide. So this week, we decided to talk about superstitions and sciences that are actually pseudosciences and so on and so forth. So, I think to start us off, how superstitious are we, like in general, like the two of y'all, and what are some superstitions that you all believe in?
I
I
mean,
believe in the cricket ones. Like if you sit in a certain place, then you're like lucky, and if you like move from that place, then you're unlucky.
That's
But
so
not
true.
not when you're playing cards. Not when you're playing cards though.
yeah, that's what I feel like selectively superficial, like things that are like conditioned, that we are conditioned
Yeah.
to believe we believe in, but like other things, like we're just not. And that's why I feel like I
Like
believe
what?
in us, like, and that's why I believe in astrology. My mom, and I know some people find it so stupid, which I get because there are lots of
It is
stupid things.
stupid. It is
It's not, like, I
way. Oh,
completely
it is
understand why you
hella
think it's
way.
stupid. For somebody who doesn't know anything about it, for you to say that, I completely get it. But
Oh,
for
Okay,
we'll
other
get
okay.
to
people,
astrology now.
Explain to
We'll get to
me.
astrology. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay, so we'll get to astrology. But like otherwise, what are some general superstitions that you all like keep with apart from astrology?
did y'all know that
Mm,
birthday
Nothing?
candles are a superstition?
yeah,
Really? What?
Yeah,
Like
it's
in
a
what
super.
way?
You
because
take a
you're
you take
blowing
a
on a
flash.
flame and you're believe.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a superstition. So there are so many things like that, like small things that we don't know, that like that everybody just does, and they're superstitions.
Yeah, no, there's so many. Like so, uh,
No,
Friday the
I'll tell you
13th.
why. I'll tell you why. Everybody does
Why?
it because it is the most randomest thing ever. Who the fuck thought about
No,
putting candles on a cake and then blowing it with
Arey,
flames, bro?
that's what now.
Like
There's
that's
such a
so fucking random.
it's not no all of this has like something. So Friday the 13th is considered like haunted and shit like that na. So the actual reason why Friday the 3rd, like the word 13th is the number 13 is considered like वो buildings में नहीं होता number 13 कभी कभी Kingfisher के पूरे airline में
I
row
stay
number
in
13
bungalow
नहीं होता
number
था.
13.
No, I'm saying but
You,
like Kingfisher के जितने भी
Bro,
airlines थे
floor
उसमें
13.
in my
Floor
yeah,
new house
13.
also
that's
we
what.
moved to floor 13. Like the whole idea is कि so
Oh, bro.
Judas
All three
Judas was
of
the
us
13th
dead
person.
tomorrow.
No, but Judas was the 13th person to come to the Last Supper, and उसके बाद like
Right.
that's why the number 13 is considered like
You know,
odd
a
and stuff like
lot of
that.
buildings have only the 13th floor. Like it's just like 12, 14. Like so many buildings.
हम तीनों है 13 floor पे ये तो भाई.
You are on the
भाई हम लोग कल
नहीं, but
मरने
if you
वाले सुन.
नहीं, but if you think about it, Kingfisher में भी 13 रो निकाला पर उनको कितना गुड लक मिला. मतलब मतलब कुछ फायदा ही नहीं हुआ उससे. They still crashed and burnt.
But I feel like there are so many dumb
Bro, but
superstitions also. Like, you know, that our grandmothers used to tell
like
us,
what? Like what?
don't cut nails in the night, then don't wash your hair on Saturdays or something like that. Some specific days पे like कुछ
Bro.
चीजें नहीं करना. My dad used to tell me that. And I
No,
said, "What's the point?"
I have no idea about the hair वाला. I know because so nail cutting and hair was reason because पहले जब nail cutter नहीं होते थे तो दिस है कि रात को nail मत वो जो भी knife से काटते होंगे क्या पता. So I was reading about it. They were saying कि रात को काटना है तो your hand used to get cut. इसलिए रात को काटना नहीं होना चाहिए था. तो उसके बाद मुझे कैसे तो superstition बना और
If a black cat crosses your way, I mean, बेचारा that black cat. Why would they like
Bro,
think of?
that's the most common that's the most common superstition I think. The
Yeah,
black
but
there's
cat
so
thing.
it's
many.
so
But
dumb.
I
I
just
think
find
superstition
it.
is just like a reason. It's like मतलब क्या dumb superstition होता है कुछ लोग के मतलब I think it's just like a reason to like remove your insecurities कि अब चलो मैंने ये भी कर लिया है तो अब हुआ तो मेरी गलती नहीं है like
Yeah.
कुछ भी मतलब जबरदस्ती superstition.
I also read that in
Do you all do like knock on wood and shit?
No.
No, I don't do that gay shit.
You do touch wood and all that. Like, I mean, it just happens.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Like,
Yeah.
so you do it like, nah.
Yeah.
But
I
like
mean,
technically saying bless you to someone also after they sneeze is also a
yeah,
superstition.
because apparently their soul comes out or something. That's what I read. Like when you
Yeah,
see
yeah, yeah, exactly
people
that. That's what it is.
stuff like
Yeah.
that,
What the
you,
fuck?
No, that's
Seriously?
true. That's why you used to bless you.
my tuition teacher had told me that once. You know that? And I got so scared. I think I was in the 7th grade or something, and I was sitting in tuitions, and then I just randomly asked her, Miss, why do you say bless you every time I sneeze? Because I sneezed like 5 times. So she's like, do you know, darling, when you sneeze, your heart stops. She was just Christian teacher. She was like, when you sneeze, your heart stops, and you need to say bless you so you can live again. And I was like, what the fuck? And I got so scared after that. I was just in
यहाँ
left.
से एस्ट्रोलॉजी का भूत पैदा हुआ था
Shut up. That was
7th standard में.
like,
But
and I also read that in Mexico or I think Mexico only, it's believed that if you put two, yeah, very good. If you put two mirrors opposite each other or something, it's like a threshold for the devil or something.
A demon portal.
Yeah.
Yeah, a demon portal opens.
she's like a threshold for demons. She's like demon portal.
अरे bro, ऐसा ही होता है एकदम. It's like Rick and Morty type, bro. I was asking my father over there, my host father over there, and he was like, one hole opens, one person comes and then goes, and in the time that he goes, he curses the entire village and the entire world, and then he goes and
Even
all that
this,
shit. And I'm just like, what the fuck?
in Afghanistan or something, you should not let the broom touch somebody's feet because then your parents will die.
Yeah, I read this.
No, I
There's
didn't
so
know
many.
this. What the
There's
hell?
a- in Rwanda, bro, this is the most. I'll tell you. So, पता नहीं मुझे why अफगानिस्तान का नहीं पता मुझे. I just read it somewhere. But I
हाँ,
know
so
कि
you say.
in Rwanda in Africa, women are not allowed to eat goat meat. Why? Because ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों को कि they will start getting facial hair and they will become stubborn. तो मतलब इनका मतलब patriarchy वो क्या होता है? So women are not allowed to eat goat meat. But those are like the characteristics of a goat, right? They're stubborn and they have hairy faces and stuff like that.
What if it's possible? Because maybe there's a certain amount of their DNA passing on through their blood and their
Just shut up.
bones
Just
and
shut
their
up.
shit. You don't know. You never know.
Demon portal.
Like, do you all cross your fingers? Like, it happens now. Like, please,
Yeah.
ho jaye, ye ho jaye. That's also a superstition. You're crossing your fingers. And wait, I'm going to read
No.
this out. It's actually a thing. Oh, yeah, okay. See, crossing your fingers, this lucky superstition started back in the pre-Christian days where crosses were symbols of power and unity, and people believed there was power in the middle area of the cross. They would cross their fingers and make a wish while focusing on the center area. So that's what people do. And so, see, that's a superstition and we all do it. There's no logical reasoning behind anything. जिसको जो believe करना है वही होता है. That's what I feel like superstitions are. Some people think it's dumb, some people think it's
नहीं पर
not.
ऐसे बिलीव करने का मुझे नहीं I think see now ऐसे छोटे सुपर ना ठीक है पर now like getting into like astrology मुझे लगता है astrology is becoming such a big thing. It's
Yeah,
so
it has. But see, it only depends. See, there are lots of fake ones. Yuvansh is going to insult it. Please continue, Yuvansh. Bol do. It's not even that funny.
I'm
it is
genuinely
a
laughing.
joke. But okay. Yuvansh थोड़ा सा control कर हाँ उसको बोलने दे पहले.
You have to admit it. That
हाँ,
day,
बोल, बोल.
once you had come home, remember, and we properly went through each and everything, and we were picking out personality traits.
We counted it out exactly. It was 50-50.
You literally had said thoda to hai.
अरे थोड़ा तो क्या मैं guess करूंगा तो महक it was 50-50. We picked out things like and they were so common. Okay, Mahek. Okay.
Wait. Do you believe in fate?
What is
Wait,
fate?
no.
Like in
Mehak,
what
wait.
way?
No. Wait, Mehak. The thing is, astrology is a trick, and I'll tell you why. Because they put characteristics of your personality that are always positive.
I
And
know.
then they drag people
No.
in like that, and they're like, oh,
ऐसा नहीं होता
let's
ऐसा नहीं
make
होता
That's not
ऐसा नहीं
true.
your
होता
psychological need for being better is
Okay, this is
fulfilled
one
through
example that you should
astrology
not
shit.
know before you know full things, because that's not what astrology is. This is the notion, the wrong notion of astrology.
Okay, Mahek, go. Okay,
Astrology.
Mahek, you explain to us what actually it is.
Okay, I'll tell you what it is. So obviously there's no science behind it. Okay, there is no science behind it. God has no science behind it. Fate has no science behind it. All these things have no science behind it. Okay, there is no logical evidence that I can provide to you. I'm sorry. Let me fucking talk. Shut up. Okay, and so it has everything. It's basically your whole horoscope. It depends on what time you were born. Depends on what date you were born. It talks about your fate. It talks about your needs. Talks about your positive characteristics or negative characteristics. There's everything.
No, but Yuki, so I'm
there
gonna
are-
copy a joke from.
wait. There are a lot of pages
No, no,
that
no.
put out. I'm not done talking. There are a lot of
No,
pages
no,
that.
I'm telling Earth. I'm telling Earth. Earth, look. The thing is, now I legit want to listen to what she's saying. So no jokes. Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't saying. I'm listening. I heard what she said.
See, Yuvansh, wherever you read all these
Yeah.
astrology with positive characteristics, that much I agree. That much though is a scam. Like, telling people that, tu aisa hai, to tu aisa behave karega. Then you start believing it and you start looking for things. That part I agree. That's such a
Oh,
small
that's like
part
a
of-
commercialized.
Yeah, that's
It's
a very
like a
tiny part.
commercialized way.
Yeah. Like,
Okay,
when you,
okay.
for example, when you go to a hand reader or something, he'll just look at your face and say things and look at how you're reacting. And the way you're reacting, he'll continue saying that.
Okay.
That's not what astrology is. It's got everything. So basically, it talks about your positive traits, talks about your negative traits, talks about what you should cut. It talks about a lot of things. Look at this Yuvansh fucking smug ass. I don't want to talk on.
No, listen. I'm
No, I'm-
not saying anything there. I'm waiting for you to finish talking, and then I'll give you my
I'm
justification.
eating eggs. I'm eating eggs.
Okay, so it has
Okay, shut up.
everything. You need to properly understand it and get it from the right source. The information
Okay,
that you
alright.
get from astrology. That's what it is. So it's been going on for years and years and years. Even when it comes to marriages, they talk about compatibility and all that. That's also related to astrology. They talk about the stars and everything. So it's a whole big field with so many small
Alright.
things that gets lost into this small, tiny version that Yuvansh thinks it is. That is believing in
Alright.
whatever people say it is. And I get.
Okay,
Get
Okay,
people
I'm gonna be
don't-
honest.
Understood.
That's a good
Understood.
explanation. It's a genuine explanation, but that doesn't justify why there's no scientific evidence for it.
Yeah, and that's why I get it, and that's why I said it's just a concept that you believe in, whether you believe in it or whether you don't believe in it. It's all related to your faith,
Okay.
your
Okay,
life.
understood.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, I understood. This whole idea. First of all, it's not only everything. It's primarily based on the movement of planetary bodies. That's what astrology is primarily based upon, right? But to think of how vain we are as human beings, and I'm copying this from I read it somewhere. It's like a joke, but you know how vain we are as human beings, where we think that the movement of the planetary bodies is somehow related to us. Like
Yeah,
it's so
yeah,
stupid, and it's totally that, right? Your whole idea of astrology in basic is the same thing, but in 12 different ways. You're just saying it so everybody just assumes okay, I can relate to anybody, right? And this is it's called the Barnum effect. Now that's scientific. Okay, so the Barnum effect. So this guy named what's his name? P.T. Barnum. He was a circus character. He used to run a circus in the 1800s, and he coined the phrase "the sucker is born every minute," and that's why it's called the Barnum effect, because you can read you're a Sagittarius, right? Or technically, so you could read out your character traits, and they would very quite easily agree with me also. And even though I don't believe in it, technically,
this is what I'm saying. This is why I get why people say that no, it's like just normal characteristics, but that's not what it is. It's a very in-depth thing that not a lot
it
of
is
people
not
go into.
understood. Okay,
lot
so
Okay, I have no wait.
for
I
it
have
to
a
be
genuine
okay,
question.
next.
Arth, wait.
I
Arth, wait.
have not done
Wait. I have a
any
question.
research right now, and I don't have
I have
any
a question.
for
No,
these names. Yeah. See.
I have a question. So you're saying that there is a high probability of it not being true. Are you accepting the fact that yes, there is a possibility it's not true?
Yeah, maybe it's not, maybe it is. It's a concept that
Oh,
you
okay.
believe in.
You
I
like to
Mehak,
believe in the
no, one
concept.
second. One second.
I
Yuvansh.
think it's.
So
I like to believe that it's true. I like to believe that there
okay,
have been circumstances
And
that
that's a good way. That's a good
been
way.
explained by astrology, which is also that's why I was talking about fate in the first place. So it basically talks about how the date of your birth, the time of your birth, is a
all right.
big factor in determining where you will go in life, how you will.
Understood.
Yeah.
No, understood. So, but then with what you've just told us, I'm assuming that you're saying that then there are books or there's a study that can be proved that I could do tomorrow and then call myself an astrologer, right? By reading stuff upon it.
I mean, I don't know anything about becoming an astrologer. I haven't done
No.
so.
I mean, no. So everybody that becomes an astrologer, you're saying that if you are truly doing it according to your date of birth and the time that you're born and the month of the day and how the sun was positioned when you were born and so on and so forth. So anybody can just they can read upon it. There must be books about astrology because ऐसे कोई astrology कैसे बन जाता? How is astrology being passed on to people for so many generations, right? There has to be have been
Through
people must be
education.
studying
Through
it or reading upon.
education.
Exactly. But then this education has to be who wrote this? Like who came up with it? If there's no
Yeah, that's
scientific
what, I have
evidence
no
behind it,
idea. That's what I'm telling you.
Astrologists.
exactly, it's a joke. It's a
Astronomers.
joke.
I haven't done
You never
any.
know?
Astronomers,
Astronomers.
bhai,
Oh God, what
astronomers,
about
Yuvansh,
No,
astronomy,
I know what you're talking
astronomy,
about. It's the
Yuvansh,
science
first
of
of all,
it. I know, I understand.
Yuvansh, 1 second. Astronomers are people who do astronomy. Astrologers are
That's
people
what
who
I'm
do
saying.
astrology.
I know, that's what I'm saying. But listen, well, what if a certain sector of them were the other half?
What are you
what?
talking?
About the fucking constellations and shit. What do you call that? The
I'm lost.
person who looks at the oh my
Astrologer
god,
होता
I
है
don't
वो.
know, man. Astrologer, correct. Astrologer and the astronomy. So whatever certain sector of the astronomists are astrologists.
Just shut up. You making absolutely lesser sense than what astrology is
Putting
in
your eggs or
itself.
something mixed in them.
Yeah, it's a pseudoscience, Meg. It's
No,
this whole idea of fate and birthdays and timings. How is it how is an astrologer getting this information where he's and I'm okay with people believing in it. Like I will not dissuade you of it. But when they start justifying their
No,
reasoning,
that is dumb.
no,
That's
I
dumb.
did this.
Yeah, I completely agree with that.
Like I will not dissuade. I still think astrology is a joke. And
Yeah,
like
okay,
it
fine.
is a pseudoscience.
Have your
It's
reasons
a
for that.
pseudoscience.
Okay, and you have
but
your
that is such
Because
a disrespectful thing to say. That is such a disrespectful thing to say. He
yeah.
believes in something so much and you're just
Like,
calling it a
so
joke. I feel
but I
that
think
is
it's a joke. But like
disrespectful.
I told her I'm okay with people believing it just because it helps them cover up whatever. Like it just it keeps them entertained. For
No,
I'm
but
all for that. Like
you're saying you disrespect the belief, but you respect the people. I don't understand that.
I'll give
Because
you an I'll give
that people are
this is why
made of
you
that.
stop
Those
me.
people
No,
are
no,
made of that belief.
yeah, hear me out. You didn't let me finish. So like I was saying to her, I said when people start justifying their behavior and their acts on the basis of astrology, when they say ki, I acted this because I'm stubborn, I'm a Taurus, which is why I'm hot headed, which is why
And
you
that's what
know
a superstition is, and that's why I get it. Now, that's what you just said in the beginning.
hence
Also,
the
I
hence
just
the joke,
yeah, and
Yuvansh.
I get it, and that's why I get it. I get it, and I completely agree that it's really stupid when people justify their actions by saying I'm a this, I'm a that.
My
Completely.
Mercury is in retrograde.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. But certain things have okay now I don't have the evidence right now with me, the posts right now, but I'll show. I mean, if I'm able to, then like later we'll make a clip or something. But like, I get your reasons. I get it.
Yeah,
You
and
believe.
it was a wonderful conversation because I acknowledge what you believe in, you acknowledge what I believe in, but I
Yeah,
feel like Earth was a little bit disrespectful with the joke thing, but otherwise everything was wonderful.
Big L's I have taken today. Sorry, bro. But like I said, scientific. But it's so funny because
I'm messing
I was
with
reading
you.
up on this because 58% of Americans think that astrology is scientific, is based off of science. Like what?
you're
That's
dumb. You can't help it.
58%.
There
People
are
think it's based
some
off of science.
so there are
मतलब
some dumb people. I said it thrice. It's a concept.
It's
Believe
so
it or
I'm
you don't.
just dumbfounded. But good. You're a rational, not rational, but you're a sane astrology believer of astrology. Yes, that. But
Do you have
चलो
like some superstition that your family has imposed on you or something?
oh
कि ये नहीं
fuck,
करना,
yes
ये
many.
होता है, ये नहीं करना, वो होता है.
मेरे घर में बहुत
मेरे में तो भाई बहुत बड़ा
बट
है.
मजा
So
आता
to people that don't know, I'm moving houses right now, and a big part of our finding a new house was based off of something called Vastu. So people that are not in India, Vastu is like this thing in India where this woman or this person comes and determines how like what direction your house is facing in. It's similar to like the concept of astrology in the sense facing in inside the house. It'll say, ki, okay, your bed needs to be positioned in a certain way, and it will give you luck or fame or whatever. And so basically, it's a load of crap, is what it is. And so, but and the thing is, it was so funny because so Oh no, hear me out.
Yeah.
Hear me out. Now,
Okay.
I'm okay if someone believes in Vastu on their own. And ऐसे कि मुझे इस तरह से खुशी मिलती है, I'm all for it. तो मैं खुशी मिलती है, you should do that. But when you're paying someone to come and do your fucking Vastu, is what is so okay. I'll give you another example, right? So me and my parents are going. We were had to finalize the house. Okay, so we drove an hour and a half to pick up the Vastu woman in the race because she couldn't come, and we drove back an hour and a half to a new house. We drove for 3 hours, sat, and she came to the house. And she's like, 5 minutes, she snapped around, she walked around the house. 10 minutes, she took a round of the house. She's like, workable, workable. And we bounced. We drove 3 hours for her to spend 10 minutes in the house. Okay. And uske baad we drove again an hour and a half to drop her back. And an hour and a half we came back. We drove 6 hours on the road for 10 minutes of workable, workable, workable. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, she determines,
Bro,
she will
what's your
determine.
Vastuvali's number, bro? What's your Vastuvali's number? I'm going to send her this clip, man. It'd be so fucking insane.
No, but the thing is,
She'll be like,
she's such a sweet. No, she's a
workable.
very nice woman. She's a very, very nice woman. Like when I was in the morning, I was so pissed off with my parents. Were like, fuck, I have to go and pick them up, and like I was so pissed off. But when I met her, like she's such a nice woman. But like her occupation, I feel is like
You can't
I'm so impressed
the
actually.
occupation just because you don't agree.
No, I'm
with
actually very impressed. No, I'm so impressed that she's managed to make mint money off of something just beliefs. Like it's just because no,
Yeah,
there is no science behind it.
that's
It's a
wild.
pseudoscience. It's a pseudoscience, right? There is no science behind it. But somehow she says ki, and people believe it in such because people pay Vastu people a bunch. It's not a cheap thing to get your house Vastu done. And you know, she determines how the house is, how the bed will be faced in my room and so. And like she was so like she was going wild in my room ka Vastu. And I said ki, I told my parents ki, ye jo bhi bole ki मेरे room में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. I will get it done however I want to do. But otherwise, like it's mad, bro. Vastu
parents
is
believe in something, there's no need to like zabardasti defy it just because you don't believe in it, right? I mean, they're
no,
doing
no,
it.
no,
Yeah,
no.
exactly what I was about to say.
Again, okay, but you want
No.
you hear me out now. So, Meg, okay. So I'm seeing you like the wall at the back, right? Your white brick wall. You must have
Yeah.
chosen it, right?
I didn't know.
Okay.
That was done
No,
after.
no, no, hear me out.
Wait.
Hear me out. Hear me out now.
No,
So,
listen. You're going to talk about a physical, technical discomfort, but when you're defying some of their beliefs, it gives them a psychological, a mental discomfort that
exact.
mine
मैंने
Ska
क्या
is
बोला
not
अभी?
believing
नहीं,
the
नहीं.
exact
I'm
rituals
not.
that I want to believe.
You're not hearing me
And
out.
that
You're
is
not listening to
why
me.
you
You're,
give up to their beliefs sometimes.
you're not listening.
Although
You're not listening.
it's fun to see all this.
1 second. You're not listening to what he's saying. You're just coming from the fact that, like she said, that you're defying your parents because you have to. No, you hear me out. Now, see, because
Yeah.
your parents are not so
Yeah,
heavily
go ahead,
invested
go
in
ahead.
Vastu, you'll not understand okay. So imagine your white wall, right? You said you like the white brick wall, right? That you got done. I'm assuming, right? So if I wanted to get
Oh, man, I got a
let's say I
brick
wanted to
wall.
get like a brick wall in my room. Okay, whatever. I wanted to get a brick wall in my room, and I think because it looks nice in rooms, I saw your room, I saw Yuvanshu's room. I said, maybe I want a brick wall in my room. Okay, I go, I tell my dad. He said, okay, good, nice. My dad tells it to my Vastu wali woman, and the Vastu rejects your idea for a belief that I don't believe in. Right? Obviously, it gets frustrating, right? So I don't. No, I'm not. I'm giving you a hypothetical example. She rejected a lot of other things, right? Which is why I said that I will not get it done. Huh?
It's not placing furniture.
No. It's the color of your walls. It's how your bed is placed. It's the color of your walls. It's how your bed will be placed. Where your wardrobe will be put in your room. Where your study table desk will come. So for them, it's just like hence. So which is why since it was causing. While I don't agree with it, I'm not. Again, I have a problem with them waste. But I don't think it's the only reason I have a problem with it is because I see them spending money off to pay someone to do their vastu. Like I said, I don't have a problem with superstitions, right? As long as it doesn't interfere with your lives and the people lives that are dependent on you. Like right now, obviously, we are dependent on our parents because we live with them, right? So, which is why now when I started interfering with how I wanted my room to look like, obviously I wanted it to look like a certain way, and it's obviously an inconvenience when she's coming and telling me, no, you can't get a hypothetical brick wall in your room because it doesn't suit your vastu, and like you can't place your bed in a certain way, you can't face the TV, you have to sit sideways. I don't care because it'll not give you fame or your luck will, or you'll get body problems. Like what? Like what are you? How are you basing this off? Which is why I have a problem with it. Again, like I said, Mehak, I don't have a problem Mehak believing in astrology as long as it doesn't interfere with anybody else's lives. Like if tomorrow Mehak goes and tells Jay ki, no, I can't be with you because you're a Leo and it doesn't fit my Sagittarius, then like I'll just be like, what? But she doesn't do that, right? She does it for a khud ka entertainment, which is good, keeps you happy. I'm all for it. But like imagine you're paying someone so much money to do your vastu and it doesn't even like it affects with someone that doesn't even believe in it, which is what I have a problem with. Get it?
Yeah.
That's
But
there.
So it's not like
Yuvansh, do
it's
you
not
have
just to like defy them.
any superstitions that you would like to share with us? Anything that your family has told you कि ये नहीं करो? I mean,
I don't know why.
say.
This is not a superstition or like, no, actually it is, but this is something only I do. Because like, when we're in a plane and when we're taking off, and like everybody's all still, for some reason I like moving my legs up and down, like on the floor when we're taking off. But when we're in the air and we're stable, I'm normal. But when I'm taking off, I wanna like pound on the floor. It makes me feel like
Why?
I'm flying higher. It makes me feel like I'm
Oh,
flying
acha.
higher.
I thought there was going to be some better explanation, but that was just
Yeah, it's
No,
the same.
fly
it makes me
higher.
feel. It makes me feel. It
I
makes me
thought you
feel
were going to
like
say,
I'm
makes me feel
above.
safe, prepares me for the
No,
journey.
and then you close your eyes. And you close your eyes. And you close your eyes, and you feel like you're lifting off Earth, and you're going in a separate reality, and then you're going back down again in another culture, in another country, in another. It's so amazing, man, and I love it. I love it.
Love flying.
I love
बहुत
that
मजा
you're so
आता है.
passionate about
बहुत
this.
मजा-
Another
But
country,
yeah, I swear. I
another
love
It's
it. I love
amazing,
pounding my
man.
feet on the floor.
Bro, it makes you feel like even though you haven't done jack shit, you're still traveling so much, and you're like, bro, I'm gonna own this, and then you fucking go there, and it's so cool. I fucking love that shit, bro. There's that pounding on the floor. The best shit ever.
भाई तू पायलट ही बन जा यार.
नहीं 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 नहीं, वो पैसेंजर का ही मजा है, पायलट का नहीं है.
No, but even this room of mine, it was completely opposite. The bed was this side, the study table was there. Everything was so different. The bathroom door ka jagah was also changed literally. So, and it was all renovated because I needed to shift into this room, and then my nanny was like, ye nahi rahega, this that, and then I had to remove everything. And then we even now recently when my room got renovated, she was like, this is what was it called? I don't laugh, okay? It's my nanny. I would not take it. But she said that this is a fire wall or something. You can't put a watercolor on it. She didn't want us to get blue. But then I did what, like, I was like so frustrated. I was like, I don't want to paint my passage orange because I hate that color. So then I just painted it blue.
So
I said, it's very bad. It's very bad.
you
You
got
can't.
it.
Why do you hate that color?
I don't know. I just hate it. I don't. I
So
just
you got it done. So you got it done blue, na, in the end.
yeah.
So like this is what I'm saying. अब इनकमिंग होता ना, अगर तुमने नानी ने फोर्स कर दिया था तुम्हें, अगर
हाँ,
तुम्हें
no,
फोर्स कर दिया था ऑरेंज कराने के लिए,
she was very mad at me, but it's alright. I still love it.
एग्जैक्टली ऑलमोस्ट अगर फोर्स हो गया था, इमेजिन कितना बुरा लगता. यही है मुझे प्रॉब्लम वास्तु से कि भाई, पर चलो गुड, तुम्हारी नानी में कुछ बोल नहीं सकता.
Yeah, shut up.
प्लीज उसकी नानी मत दिखाना यार, तुम्हारी नानी को बहुत बुरा मान जाएगी
You know
मुझसे.
what? Like there was also like other things. Like if you just continue talking about this a minute, she had told me that one of the people that not her clients or friends clients or whatever group they have, one of their clients lived in a house where he was there was a bunk bed or something, like how you were saying the bed can't be positioned this way, and then he didn't study at all. He was like failing his classes, all that nonsense. And then after that, they shifted into another house, and then they called that other lady, who my nanny knows, and then they explained this thing to her that, I don't know what it is, this, that, and then she changed the whole thing of the room, and then like he started studying. So I don't know how like she made it or something. And also there was another thing where some newly married couple got their room painted fully pink or something, and apparently that brings out a lot of extra love, more than you need. And then this is so funny, but then she said that
You got divorced.
no, he started having an affair with somebody else. Can you believe
Because
it?
there was so much love. There was extra love.
That's so
They had to
uncanny,
share
man.
that love.
This is damn funny. Like I agree with it. Like it's damn
It's so uncanny, bro.
and
That's
so
so.
funny. But yeah.
pink in your room. Shit.
Bro, talking about like hating colors and shit, isn't that kind of racist?
Talking about?
Hating colors.
You know what racist
Dude,
means?
yes, you're hating a
What does
color,
racist
bro.
mean?
How can you just hate orange, man? Because there are orange
Like
people
the
there.
Racist
color.
means when you hate against a race,
Yeah.
not color. भाई तू ये
Bro,
हमारा
race
जिसको
is a color only,
प्रेसिडेंट
na?
ऑफ इंडिया नहीं पता जिसको ये
Bro, वो तो नहीं
fucking
पता
आलिया
था
भट्ट
यार, मेरे को तो अभी भी नहीं
fucking
पता है।
आलिया भट्ट
तो अभी भी नहीं पता यार। अरे मैं जान के करूंगा भी क्या, साला कुछ करता तो है नहीं।
What?
You are to doing so
बैठा
much.
रहता है, fucking उसको डॉक्यूमेंट्स आते हैं, बस साइन करके बैठ जाता है, भैंचो, और क्या करना है
You know
उसको?
his name.
नहीं भाई जनरल
What?
नॉलेज वो क्या होता है fuck जनरल नॉलेज
अरे बस बोल रहा हूँ, साइन करता है, और क्या करता है भाई, तू मुझे बता।
no but this is
ये
this is the
बता।
whole thing of numerology also right this is the whole thing of numerology also
Or
bro numerology is so
my spelling, it was MEHEK, and then my mom changed it to MEHEK
I,
on my 8th
yeah
birthday. And then everybody else started calling me MEHEKK because she did some numerology on me. And then after that,
yeah
I never changed it officially. So officially, it's MEHEK because I can't call myself MEHEK. I mean, officially on like class notes and all that. But for everybody else, it's supposed to be MEHEK.
no but like so for people that don't know what numerology is basically adding the number of letters in your name and it adds up to a certain
It's
number
actually like a lot more than that.
nothing I'm talking like basic people that don't know what numerology is
Example.
so like it just add the number of and it leads to a certain number and that number determines if you're good or bad so like I have friends who are named Akshay but the Akshay is spelled as ACKSHAY and I have a friend named Anushka whose name is spelled as ANOUSHKA and so
Bro,
my dad
what
also
if it's because of statistics? What if it's because of statistics? Because
what statistics
maybe, what about, maybe it's a possibility that they have some data, and in that data, it's either these number of Anushkas with this name have like died, and it brings bad luck with this name. So
Yeah,
they think that that name should be written off.
number kind of thing, like the same, this thing only, na, behind it, same mentality. That ऐसा नहीं
भाई
होना.
बहुत सही है
Exactly,
तो
bro.
पता है तो अजय देवगन की स्पेलिंग पता है तुम लोगों को अजय
I
डी
don't
ई
care about
वी
Ajay Devgan, man.
अजय DEVGN तो
Yeah.
अजय देवगन so I saw Varun Thakur stand up comedy okay Varun Thakur did a stand up on like all this numerology and this one bit is that it's so fucking hilarious man he's roasting there's another bit where he does so Tushar Kapoor पता है तुम लोगों को वो the guy who is Goonga in Golmaal
Yeah, obviously.
so
Yeah,
he says
I love him.
so basically he goes by TUSSHAR so he goes by Tushar and he dropped the Kapoor so Varun is like you dropped Kapoor the only thing that was working for you and I fucking died laughing man so Shar say Tushar okay so do you all have any like any pre-exam superstitions in general
Not really.
Yes,
Say?
What?
I study as less as I can. I try to retain most of my knowledge when I'm in class, but I don't pay attention sometimes in class, and that's when I lose.
That's sad, bro, but nice. Bro, but like, you know, so many people they did when beach में last year Tanmay Bhatt put some post and he said कि अगर तुम लोग ये repost नहीं करोगे अपने story पे तो तुम लोग एग्जाम में फेल हो जाओगे and fuck जब मैं जिसका भी story खोलता था सब पे सिर्फ तन्मय भट्ट का वो था कि I'm not taking risk
Some
तो
people
भाई
at home also, na, on the top.
bro that's so sick man I
What?
love such people
Yeah, and then you know
they're
how
just like
people
भगवान के भक्त
can come on the first day of exams as to see.
I love it. I'm like, bro, that's the energy, man. Like, मैं कुछ भी करूँगा पर मैं फेल नहीं होऊंगा.
Yeah.
भाई
Okay, so
एग्जाम में चीट करने में बहुत मजा आता था यार. एग्जाम में
That's
चीट
fact,
करने में
bro.
बहुत मजा. Like it's
So,
bro, it's so fucking feels so good just like going against the system.
okay, stick to
It's
topic.
amazing.
okay, I hope you
Yeah,
guys enjoyed all these superstitions, and if you understand any, please let us know. And if you have any superstitions of your own or something that your family tells you to do, then please let us know in the comments down below.
Yes. Bye guys.
Chalo. No, please, if you really like the episode, we'd love if you would subscribe. And if you like this particular episode, we'd also appreciate if you press the like button. Also, all right.
Am
See
I
you guys.
moving? Am I moving?
Yes,
Yeah.
you are.
Holy, I thought I was paused. What the fuck? Bye, 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 bye.
All right. See you
Bye,
guys next
bye.
episode. Bye bye.